Hi guys! Welcome back to Chris and Ruff channel. I was just drinking coffee. No, I'm joking. It is Christmas in the cup. Christmas in the cup. Now let's get started. In this box, we have ornaments we're gonna color. We can use paint and our own markers. We're not gonna do all of them, we're only gonna do 8 of them. We're gonna leave 2 for a different day. We're gonna start to open the box. This is how it looks like right now.
Oh, nice. So
With
beautiful. Let's
now,
open it.
Now we're gonna open the box. Today we're going to paint 2 of them.
You start picking which one you want.
I'm gonna start with the one that I'm wearing, Santa.
All right.
And the one that is in the cup. Santa's in the cup.
Okay.
I'm gonna use markers.
This will look so nice. Oh, beautiful.
We've done the red stuff of the Santa, the hat, the red part of the hat and the tongue. Now we're gonna use gray and white. We're gonna use the gray for the mustache and the eyebrows, and the white for the extra parts on the hat and the beard.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the gray. I need more gray now.
Now the mustache.
It's almost done. I'm gonna keep on going with the white. Now we need more.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely beautiful. Almost done.
Santa is done. Now let's get another one. Which one you want?
Definitely the candy cane.
Okay.
Now we're gonna start on the candy cane.
Okay. What
We're
color?
gonna need red and white.
We will need red and white.
I'm gonna start with the red.
Okay. So you color one and you skip one, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then after you will add the white.
When I finish all the red.
Sure.
Okay. Time for the white.
Okay. Dip it and paint it. Wow, look at that. Dip it and paint it. Again, dip it and paint it. Wow, how beautiful. The candy cane is done.
The candy cane is now ready.
Okay, let's leave it to dry.
Next to Santa.
Come. Next to Santa, which one is the third you want?
I'm gonna do the third one. It's gonna be, drumroll please. It's gonna be the present that everyone loves.
Okay.
Who loves presents? You definitely do. I'm gonna use red and orange for the present. It's gonna be the best present in the whole entire world that I'm gonna make. We're gonna start with the color orange.
Why you picked red and orange colors?
Because they're my first and second favorite colors. For the flower, I'm gonna do yellow,
Oh.
but after I finish the red.
Okay. This is so nice. Well done.
Who doesn't love flowers?
We all do, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
What color flower you prefer?
I prefer a red flower,
Okay.
but today I'm doing a yellow flower.
Yes, which is beautiful too, isn't it?
Because already we did way too much red.
The present is ready.
I'm
Ta-da!
gonna put it right next to the candy cane. We don't have to let it dry because I just used markers.
It's already dry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good.
Now I'm gonna use the gingerbread house.
Oh, gingerbread house. Do you like to eat gingerbread?
Definitely yes.
You prefer gingerbread house or gingerbread man to eat?
Gingerbread man.
What if he ran away?
I can still catch him. I'm gonna use my boost feet.
What? What does the gingerbread man sing when he ran away from?
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread man.
Oh,
And after this, I might do the gingerbread man.
okay.
Let's start it. We're gonna start with the base for the icing.
Show me. Oh, okay. This is the candy.
Yeah.
Are you adding white as well?
I'm gonna add red and green.
Okay.
I'm gonna add red and green or red and blue.
Okay. Very good.
And this window.
Nice. The gingerbread house is getting so nice.
Now we're gonna do the gingerbread man. Whoopsie daisy, it's the gingerbread woman that has a bow tie on her head. We're gonna start with the color. What color do you want to start with?
First, let's color the body with beige for the gingerbread, and then we can decorate with the colors that we want. Now
With
the
the body.
decoration.
What color do you want for the decoration on the bow?
I like yellow and orange and green. Actually, yeah, 2 orange, then 2 blue. Show us. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it. Mouse. The eyes are red. What a funny gingerbread woman.
I'm done. Now I just have to cook. My gingerbread woman is ready. Into the oven. Dun, 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 dun. Wait for us to cook.
Cooking, cooking, cooking.
Ding.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Get it out.
Ooh. Ah. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread girl. I'm faster than my gingerbread man. Pew, pew, and I can jump way higher. Ooh, ooh. Bye bye. Gingerbread man, jump, jump, jump.
This is what we have done. So Chris has painted Santa, gingerbread woman, a beautiful present, a candy cane, and the gingerbread house. Great!
Which one do you like the most?
I like gingerbread girl and the candy cane. Which one do you like the most?
I like the present and Santa Claus, what I'm wearing.
Okay. Hello, Santa.
Hello, you might have a big, ginormous present. You've been doing so good every day.
Thank you, Santa.
Bye-bye. I'm gonna go back to my reindeers. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.